Synonym of paltry is underscore. A. Insignificant. B. Unfair. C. Average. D. Slovenly. Correct answer. A. Insignificant. Choose the correct meaning of the idiom, to bury the hatchet. A. To dispute over small things. B. To destroy. C. To make a peace. D. To repair a costly furniture. Correct answer. C. To make peace. Take up means. A. To stop. B. Put hurdles. C. To start. D. Locate. Correct answer. C. To start. Idiom. Put up with means. A. Amused. B. Enjoying. C. Tolerate. D. None of these. Correct answer. C. Tolerate. The opposite word of egregious is A. Ordinary. B. Enchain. C. Acquit. D. Consummate. Correct answer. A. Ordinary.